Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you the right way to create a variable in Python. So let's start the video, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, then please hit the red button shown below to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So let's start the video. To start coding, just open your Python IDE, and we just want to create a variable named num. So if we want to create a variable named num, we just type num in our Python ideally, and then add the equal to operator, and then we can assign it a value. So if you want to assign it a value of 23, just type 23, and now our variable has been created. That's it, our variable has created. Now we can use it anywhere, and such as if we want to print 23, then we can use our variable num. So just type print num. Now if we run this code, it will output 23. That's it. Amazing. So now you know how to create a variable. If you have any questions about creating a variable or something else about Python programming, just comment us. We will reply. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.